Good morning, class 9. Today we will start from question number 17. Okay. So your question is, in how much time will rupees 15,625 amounts to rupees 17,576 at 4% per annum compound interest? So in this question, this is principal, okay? This is amount, this is rate. So you have to find time, okay? After how much time this principal will amounts to this much, and the rate is 4%. So here small n is question mark. So principal is given, rate is given, time is asked in the question, and amount is given 17,576. So here it is calculated annually. So you have to use this formula P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. P is 15,625, R is 4. After that, this 15,625 will go to the right hand side, okay? It will divide here. Now see, we need to find the value of n, okay? N is in power. First you simplify this. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So 1 by 25. So take LCM. Then here we'll get 26 by 25 to the power n, okay? Here, so this one also you have to express as 26 by 25 to the power something, because we have to make same base, okay? We have n in power, so we have to make same base so that the powers will be equal. So first you find this one. This is 26 cube. See, 13 2s are 26, 13 2s are 26, 13 2s are 26. So 26 into 26 into 26 is 17,576. So if it is 26 cube, then this will be obviously 25 cube, okay? But you can check here, okay? It is 25 cube. So base are same, that means powers are equal. So n is equal to 3. So time is 3 years. Question number 20. The simple interest in 3 years and the compound interest in 2 years on a certain sum of money at the same rate are rupees 1200 and 832 respectively. So in this question, okay, we don't have principal, we don't have rate, but it is given that on that principal, okay, simple interest for 3 years is 1200, and on that same principal, okay, if you find the compound interest for 2 years, it is 832. So with the help of this simple interest for 3 years and compound interest for 2 years, we have to find the rate of interest, R, and principal. So here principal is question mark, rate is also question mark. So simple interest for 3 years is given 1200. So you know formula for simple interest is PRT over 100 is equal to 1200. So R and P are unknown, into time is 3 is equal to 1200. Now do cross multiplication. 100 will multiply, 3 will divide, okay? So on simplification, you'll get 40,000. So PR is equal to 40,000, okay? So both are unknown, so we will keep one unknown variables one side, okay? So I'm keeping here P is equal to 40,000 divided by R. So make this equation 1, okay? So wherever we'll get P, we will write this value. So compound interest for 2 years is 832. So compound interest is amount minus principal. So amount formula is this one, minus P is equal to 832. So in place of P, you write this value 4,000 by R. Here also 40,000 by R. So from here you take out 40,000 by R common. Okay, next this will be inside bracket, minus, in place of this you have to write 1 is equal to 832. Now this will go to the right hand side, it will become reciprocal. So next line you'll get, here you have to use formula of a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. It's formula, okay, after expanding, minus 1 is equal to, you cancel this, okay, you'll get 26r by 1250. So 1 square is 1 plus 2 1s are 2, or you cancel this, 2 1s are 2, 2 50s are 100. So r by 50 plus r square by 100 square is 10,000 minus 1. Cancel this 1 1 since they have opposite sign. So here you write this. After that you take LCM. Okay, LCM of 50 and 10,000 is 10,000. So 50 200s are 10,000. So this will be multiplied by 200. Sorry, 50 into 200 is 10,000. So here you have to multiply by 200 and here you have to multiply by 1. Next is now from here, okay, from here you take out R common, okay, R common, then I will get this line. After that you cancel this two, both are in the denominator and we don't have any other number, okay, so they are independent, we can cancel them. So 0 0 cancel. Now cancel with 5, okay, 5 you'll get here 8 and here 1. So 200 plus R and R also we can cancel. So 200 plus R is equal to 26 into 8. Cross multiplication. So 200 plus R is equal to 208. 26 into 8, 208. So R is equal to 208 minus 200, which is 8. So rate we got 8%. Now we have to find principal. So for 2, okay, to find the principal, we will put this value of R in equation 1, which is P is equal to 40,000 by 8. Now you cancel this. 8 1s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 0 0 0. So 5,000. So principal is 5,000. Now next question is question number 21. The difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on a sum of money deposited for 2 years at 5% per annum is rupees 12. So in this question, okay, difference between, if you subtract compound interest and simple interest, their difference is rupees 12, okay, and time for both is 2 years and rate is 5%. So you have to find that principal, okay, what is that principal on which if you calculate compound interest and simple interest, the difference will be rupees 12. And always keep in mind that compound interest is always more than simple interest, okay. So here first principal is unknown, rate is 5%, time 2 years. First you find simple interest where P will be unknown. Then you find compound interest, formula is amount minus principal, use formula of amount. After that, okay, you'll get this line, simplification you can do. Then this is your compound interest, okay, this is compound interest, and according to question, the difference between the simple interest and compound interest is rupees 12. So compound interest minus simple interest is rupees 12. So compound interest is 41p by 400 minus simple interest is p by 10. So 410 LCM is 400. Here you have to multiply by 1 and here you have to multiply by 40. So on subtraction you will get p by 400 is equal to 12. So P is equal to 12 into 400, which is 4800. So principal is rupees 4800. Now question number 26. Calculate the rate of interest on a certain sum of money that becomes 216 by 125 times of itself in 1.5 year. The interest being compounded half year. It means that the amount will become this much time, okay, this much time of principal. So in 1.5 year you have to find the rate of interest. So here is the process. Principal take P, rate unknown, time 1.5 year, which is 3 by 2, and according to question amount will be 216 by 125 times of P, okay. So amount is like compounded half yearly, so you have to use this formula. You calculate this, okay, this P will go on the right hand side, cancel this. Then 216 by 125, here is cube, so you have to express here also something cube, which is 6 by 5 cube, okay. Cancel this cube, then simplify, you will get R is equal to 40%.